off, 5 mosquito-repelling plants to beat the bite. Are you tired of those pesky mosquitoes ruining your outdoor fun? Well, fear no more. Today, we're going to introduce you to 5 plants that will help repel those buzzing pests and enjoy mosquito-free evenings in your backyard. Let's get started. First up, we have the mighty citronella. This plant emits a strong lemony scent that mosquitoes absolutely hate. Simply crush the leaves and rub them on your skin, or place a few potted citronella plants strategically around your outdoor space to keep those mosquitoes at bay. Next on our list is the lavender plant. Not only does lavender smell amazing, but it also acts as a natural mosquito repellent. Plant some lavender in your garden or use lavender essential oil to keep those bloodsuckers away. Now, let's discuss the beautiful marigolds. These vibrant flowers not only add a pop of color to your garden but also naturally repel mosquitoes. Plant some marigolds near the entrance of your home or on your patio, and watch as those mosquitoes steer clear. Moving on, we have the evergreen rosemary. While rosemary is commonly used in cooking, it's also a great plant for warding off mosquitoes. Plus, it adds a lovely fragrance to your outdoor space. Plant rosemary in pots or around your garden to keep the mosquitoes away. Last but not least, we have the mighty mosquito-repelling power of basil. This herb not only tastes great in your favorite recipes, but it also repels mosquitoes with its strong scent. Plant basil in pots near your doors and windows to keep those unwanted guests out. So there you have it, 5 amazing plants that fight mosquitoes. Don't let those pesky bugs ruin your outdoor activities anymore. Try incorporating these natural mosquito repellents into your garden and enjoy a bite-free summer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for a bug-free life.